So today our session is on how to create a bootable pen drive with multiple OS using this tool known as Ventoy. So first we are going to go to Ventoy's website and download this application. Then we need to right click and extract the application using an extractor. 7-zip is what I'm using. After that, open the folder and you will see an application which you need to double click. Yeah, once it is open, you have to connect a USB in order for it to start. So I have already connected my USB and click on start. What this basically does is it makes your pen drive into a bootable USB for multiple OSs. So after that is done, you need to close it and close this and open the folder. You can see now Ventoy. What we need to do now is copy our OSs which we have downloaded and paste it here. Now for me, I'm using four operating systems. I've copied it and I have pasted it in that pen drive folder. One thing to note is that after you boot the pen drive into Ventoy mode, you will see two Ventoy folders when you connect the pen drive. So you need to copy the operating systems to the folder which is empty. Okay, there will be two Ventoy folders, and that one Ventoy folder will be empty, and the other Ventoy folder will be having the boot related files within it. So now we have copied and pasted it. Now I just want to show you where you can download the operating systems which we can use as a bootable OS. In this Ventoy folder website, you can see all the operating systems which is supported for multi-OS. I'll be sharing the link in the description of this video. Also, for any support related to this, you can contact me on my Telegram channel. It's not a channel, it is a direct message to me. So just message to me and I will reply to you. So this is a short video on how to create a bootable USB drive. Now you can see that I'm copying the operating systems to the pen drive. So it is a little big, so it will take some time. Once that is done, we will continue. Okay, so it's about to get over. It took some time for me also. So after this, what we do is we will connect the pen drive before turning on the system, and we will click on F2, F8 or F10 depending on your system. There are options for going to boot mode. So that is what you need to press. So you need to identify that for your particular system and press it after you connect the USB and restarting the system. And then a boot page will open and it will ask you boot from USB device. So I have selected that, and that is when I get to see all these operating systems within my USB drive. So once this is done, you can click on any of the operating system and click on next. After that, they'll ask you boot in normal mode. Just click on that. And we will enter this page. So this is the initial setup of any operating system. It looks like this only. So in this session, we are not going to cover how to install because we have done it in our previous session. So that's all for today's session. Today I have shown you how to create a bootable USB drive with multiple operating system. Thank you guys for watching. For any doubts, you can just message me in my Telegram.